How to connect Bluetooth in your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can connect your Bluetooth or your headphones in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application. Under this page, tap onto connections. Here you will see Bluetooth. Toggle it on. As you do so, you will see all the devices that you have previously paired. Also make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth in the devices that you are looking forward to pair, and it will show you all the names. In order to connect to that device, tap onto the name of that device. You can also manage the settings for the device by tapping onto the settings icon. Make sure that you have toggled on audio. Then if you would like to change the audio type, you can do so by tapping onto audio device type. In case you would like to unpair this, tap onto unpair on your bottom right, then tap on unpair. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.